Well, I'm a technology geek. Building and flying planes and drones like you see on the walls here, it's a passion. For me, it's a way to explore, to innovate. It's a way to challenge myself. The technology involved in this, the complexity, every drone is an operating system, so it's a challenge. Every flight is like a new adventure. When I'm up with my models in the air, it's a new perspective on the world that I know. I could be standing outside doing this, or I could be in my living room if the weather's cold, but at the same time, I'm up in the sky, seeing what's going on in the world around me, and I love it. It's like stepping into a new, different dimension. And this is sort of how I see the Yarbo too. Yarbo does snow blowing, like right now, like you've seen this season. It mows my lawn. It's great for towing things around my yard, doing pickup. As you know, we've got a fully integrated smart home. And so we've got these cameras, and we use the cameras to, watch the wildlife outside, the birds, the deer, the foxes, the possums. We love that. Being retired, I've got more time now on my hands. The drones, I enjoy that. I enjoy working with the Yarbo. I also love 3D printing. With my printer, I can make all kinds of cool things. I can make tools that I need for repairing something, just, something small. I make custom drone parts with it. I make toys all the time. I love making puzzles and things that entertain the hands, fidget toys. I've always liked customizing things, like the drones. Almost all of them are handmade. I order specific parts for specific purposes with the drones, and so I can select certain components to optimize the drone for what I want it to do. And it's the same with the Yarbo. It's adaptive. It's got specific modules for specific tasks, and they're quick and easy to change. Yarbo really is, to me, it's a cool innovation. It's more than just the machine. It changes how I approach doing some of the mundane things, the things that get boring. Let the Yarbo do that for me. I don't need to spend my time doing that. So I get time back. With that time back, I can do something else. I could be working on my 3D printer. I could be working on my drones. I could be spending the day with family because I love doing that. Or I could just use the time to have another cup of coffee.